Sansan somewhere buruagusu ogana ha no nyansam ketua weekendi awurade nsam safo se me ofa ne kokofun Ashanti region na ya poyando so abonchen 105 ono no ko secretary ana anana it organizer sa deputy communication as deputy poyando adifa kasa bebrebe jira me se ayi nyanya no Ashanti regional minister said the wanya no de nam TikTok ro nya asem kuma politics do we offer like kokofu na offer ye nkwa nyina chema kokofu se na se we offer de na nya kura o say we nam 600 and something am offer nam 100 and 200 and something I don't know atiafa so ana ai Dennis kwakwa so afa kwakwa wi ni Ashanti region kwakwa bre yi me se me kai pa some time ago na kwakwa ne nam Ashanti region na say wo ko bekum no abanifa wo ko ha no aba ha no ne nam saa kwakwa o na ko na atiafa so they say kwakwa wadi nkuni wo ma sha na nimonyam enti Ashanti region say the new NPP for governor Koka odene ho kwaku apia wono na ababedi wuntumi ade na wuntumi se ogusu ogina mu dendende ho wabakọ na sina chairman no na everybody wuntumi se still won go fa form se ma no nti won bakọ campaign ade nyina de ama no but no de ono ogusu dan so na musi wuntumi nsa ma na so wan kafo ana se o wifa everybody it is still wuntumi so bekọ moye dian ya obekọ say Nelson Mandela we fiase be the president na the radio who be da man panic for class so much in it was abai enti NPP for about to na greater crowd no who say na ekoye no say Okoboy Dr. Bernard Okoboy former Lejokuku MP say one na greater crowd regional chairman NPP say so much for man na go see sabo so afaso ama no enti say no ye bakọ na yakọ ye list no ye be rewrem no ya hwe regional election no baby na amanfo ewo another interest ewo pa na me ne papa bi di nko na e be hwe se nsa beka mebra Alexis wa hase na ya bo nko so no wase wuntumi nkrofo na say Ashanti region wo aye fashion no aye yi kakra so nimna na free na ayi wa free MP so no die hard wuntumi pa na wa kasem na to so say oh because me hear list na ba na me share the Facebook post bia na o ye ne ade na aferi as say still Ashanti region for DMB say ade no say koka no amanfo bu say nti koka obetimi de bahumi ahia adwumani because koka no I say amanfo read meanings to koka say koka no ye anti bahumia oh na I don't know makoto aba yi ni nti o mu say aso koka betimi ni anasa bahumia betimi ni koka aye adwuma but amanfo say for in the interest of the party one by adwuma no but also mo hwe se ne say Ashanti regional leadership na kono o de hwe free constituency ne de bana besi regional ase Ashanti regional mafia DMB eno ye nkrofo ka ale nam social media no so pa na MPP boardroom for no ba bia na o mu hiesia no se me wo ho ne ye de be ma wo na bibia ye boko na medical ka say na definitely me Alexis be di nkobo sense onu say MPP election no one wa predict bi titru pa na Ashanti region de no na baby ore tutu ye nsuri nyina tutu mu pepe na busa Saturday me ne ka na say bra na o de no say wakọ prophecy na say na no say wuntumi say no say no na say Bible school no okọ na bra okoye yi ni wie ye na ye yi na anaja eni tro ni Bible musa no timi di Hebrew language ni nyina bom paye no so ati ase iti dem busa Alex say Alex na waka sound so say wakọ onya prophetic eye bia o de ye adwuma na papa yi enano Saturday no Friday no de ba no wo yi nkomo bi to ho ma amanfo yem hye wom onipa o yi nkomo no to ho ndo abeyi ne ho ano me kai wo no wo nipa kura me kana asem enti ne enkomo no ye bewuram na ye didi nkomo no bebre ede ama na mene Alex kwaku tete mene ne nkomo na mema na kwaba na ye hwe ni kan nwura MPP nkomo num ne hwe ba bia wono a wonya vision ni bi define ye ne nse ne ensem no define wono na woye leader and founder edema Citizen Eye Ghana CITEG ye ne mo nkomo wono so MPP ni pa wona minim ne Citizen Eye Ghana no ana kere Japan ese wonte na mo fa meka de base hona o mo fa nya djuma ntiabusia ye hye nkomo na setaw me didi OBREMPONG-NANA KWAKU AMPOMAH wode man koma chia me eneme Alex kwaku tete e wo fia Alex akaba
ya me de mi
ya na bonim kakra ma me na
odaroma
hona mboko de
ya me adom
de radio ase na CITEG fo se mo mo CITEG ana se de
oh Citizen Eye Ghana
ucha na short de
CITEG yeah
mabobo anu mboko de
odaroma
the Citizen Eye Ghana no mo bada ben mo mandate the same when you are who the same.
Okay, Citizen Eye Ghana a civil society organization. Me kai say 2017 7 December na do ka say be a citizen,
not a spectator.
I want ye capo free.
Ah.
And the whole day many want to mean now no what say na me say you mean no yet. Akonya ba ko so.
Oh, Blaster
Square. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
A whole year picky free.
Oh, I see.
It's in a casa in a honey told Macomaso. And I'm a daughter to the
be a citizen.
Yes.
Not spectator.
And a co-registered Citizen Eye Ghana. That's it.
It has been in existence from 2017.
Yeah.
Wow. Almost 10 years.
Yeah.
Enough for. Now, mandate near day.
Oh, mandate near say, you better say, ye yet your mind.
Yeah.
Into ye, my yena. Anye yenswa nti wo pese niema me serious pie yekoto aba first one for 20 ye Kennedy ne ba o me first we na yekoe
before 2024 election no
yeah
okay
ye ko ba ko ansa na yeko 24 ko first one na yeko ye promise no
enya no na ye showdown ba mu no say no ye proud to 2024 election.
And no ma me aggressive pa. And before answer you call year 2024. I think 2023.
It was 2022, 2023.
2020 yeah. And the ma me aggressive pa na who said no. As I say me di many di ade na chi.
Okay.
Na Ghana for no mo pa ni say information a would be ba na be na kure.
Accurate.
Yes, said no o ma mo sa feedback na kosro na no mu di won sem achi o be hun se ne wo kan bia no nti yes election e wi no me shall routine letter de come the seat of government
okay
na nado danko akufuado that the president me catch and say why ye niema bebre ama oman no
okay
but the political party as a MPP
yeah
onye bibia woni ho bia ma ye betim de akai
no
we nti misusu se oma yenyi delegate issues ni nyina mfiri ho obi ko ton ne dan na odi akoye ne walusu MP no obi ko gibesia na odi akoye ne wanya obi ko ton ne car ne lankusa ne car obi lifetime savement na o ya banjuma o pese o go into political way obi se wa ni bibia ne entertainment no na odi akoshem ne walusu timi hu se me di obi achi kospend na ebeye me wa masasi bi da trasako me ton ya edidi oba bi achi wo mi krom me spend be 1.5 million
say what dey boa no so no so be wura limelight for politics
ti omu mi aye akwani tia 5000 na yi tia 500 ti mi hu se ansa na obedi ade na chi no just small trick bill enye bibi kuntan bi enye sika ne wo ho but say just a trickish way be keke to come to a president, you know. On the year mama and some more can ye buy I don't know where. So on ye.
Sir.
Who they be? Maybe more or born homoding, but new man casa or kind ye be who do no. So what ya mona my journalist, but me minim grabbing can. I decided say men can be affected in this phone to menka.
I don't know now so Citizen Eye Ghana na say dey no o kan say o kama Ghana
me per se me advice ne be you good no
okay
no why
all right
ne be ya o be good no baby be a make be weekend aban bia no menye
Sir.
no na o kama hwan o kama Ghana for na o kama political party bi di akọ nanim so what I say
Okay.
Inti wo bia a wo di politics national learn something
Suade free.
suane more adichin bia o sua pe obehu no na wo di akira we have to wins as wins no eye more
Ode sa letter na koma eko presidency say Mampene Akufo-Addo then enye bibi ma party no in abolishing the delegate system.
I should give you the letter.
Oh, what the mommy yes, I can read. What the family number now so. Now me fema SARFO to Facebook here. But now my question is that what was the response from presidency?
O say eye good. Na we're taking a note.
Okay.
Inti almost so true I say bullshit.
Okay.
Then my dispatch rider the brave. Inti me hu no me okay pa and I'm say okay. The na say o metu ho na mo enimanim ya de asa na okan. And then I say a bear way because one say free education no implementation a cow forever.
Yes.
Inti Ghana ni bia baby a wo hye bia ade no watimi aye ade we na fe party no yes nke party no
Ade obi anya somfa so.
ade obi anya somfa so na say party no ye good inti ade nti ene watimi aye we na wutimi ye we nyina mo man no na o party na e de obae no amembo ni so no constitution no ama ye hu say wo ye fa president ai wo na about 75% of power no wo no man the amount ya fa ma political party no
okay
nti honso is dangerous nti nipa no so ye o so onye no no pe o ene ode ma o man appointment o pe wasema wo ya ade o nya ade o president betimi the amount se ne wo ba no se wo no appoint o se koye custom commissioner koye IGP obi eni se yo because too many
the amano
no nti me hu se say I very delicate
okay
nti media me ma de sede am de koto ne respond no de buy ne nko anti no e ma me ni je pa right but ye hwe ma no e me hu se na na do nko fo no omo di newu
omo atwa ne ho ahia no
atwa ne ho ahia because maybe Kennedy be kan say na na do I say dua isi ho a eni hini o video no edua na esi wo eni hini ni nyina aroto timidi a kire hu se nkofo bi ti se Captain Kodamo
okay
your friend say akoyo ka se power ye mfa mamo na mfa mamo chen friend
right
debi
na de ya
ba ko ka ho Lord Comey
okay Lord Comey
yeah nyina Kodamo ni ade mpanifo wo nanado hu ne including chief of staff from Pale no munyina gam say we no ye check concession of from Pale office into munyina ye mine no
wild allegation
oh it's not wild allegation you know who now we dey say enkan we
chief of staff office na no mo
na no mo check am say a concession what na no mo check
go be asema okay
take it from me say onim na so onim say me can be
to ye nimo
oh but me nim omo nim say no me I'm not coming to say anything just wait until ne omo tiam for galam say no I'm surprised say omo tiam go NDC for so ne mo de start no eno no mo so to
na ne papa mu a
enye until oman ni nyina na say sorry ti ne ka say yewura Kennedy kan say ono de oba ono wonni na so akodi bi na sa galam say ne de o say ye wo we say means bebre even though banche kura o say e wo we teaching good eniema abanche kura ya namboa
o matese waka ne sa
inti no gamsefo no oba ode omu nyina be partnership ebia angrogodo ana alani up with the 14 billionaires na ni nyina echire no mante na mo se makoto abama baomia wo mra crisis ana na do face nyina so free baomia
sa
oh yes so no de o mai hu se o ye lawyer ni onye economy na o sanso eye politician be we there or ye cratch ni nti we na eba oh
abe salvage
yeah me kai say na say oba we na nko fa no
askwa mpia
debi halima sedai na do ba bi on off
okay
me refidin no na party for no hu say debi omo gigina me say omo mpene so na oye na do girlfriend nti omo peneso ah na say akufa do de nti omo peneso ama
ya nema ni bi o ha as too much
enye too much be ne kre oh masa we dey say kan review the things I know from the party me party o enye 51 years me party you ye ni omo nenam nti I know everything and you may be me omo no me kan ba kokra na no ye twen ye 2027 ni omo be me MP before
say Kennedy ka say next year obesenke party no o ka ho na obesenke party no
oh no dey ye man nka hwe na say we dey ye level yesua ye ho ye nim party ni mu ne ye wo enti we dey say nye Kennedy level ono ye man ono dey ne silence na bi kun
nti say mu nyina makojo ni the base na
ye wo mu dada me kra mi ti bi me mate People Liberation Party obo sisi a obenya
People Liberation Party
PLP ni nyina ye be join it
na say mo be senke MPP kra
oh ye be ma hangi o ye nsenke no be hangi ti say ne obo we a hangi ye be hangi ne keke
coming into litigation about that and rasam ye okwa be yi ne ho ano say nye no kre
fani nyi ano ni fatoso na yiti we yi no ho ano fatoso na yiti
oh but no
say fatoso say ye nye Facebook na we
ye Facebook YouTube bia yo
no yi na no ye fatoso na me fan kansam keke so we yi na no di fatoso
mame bode ye twaso na and are you the same ye niema no as an person me bo na yi niema no dodo are you the same person now say ba omi akoyoko every time
oh yes
okoye den ho ade ho de de
na wa hwe ayoko say yoko de ho nya soro ndem obi a ne ho bom bibi mu bia wo mem oti ye obi abebo okoedu say okoyoko yesi baby a smoke bi afiri no na yesi ohun se jabi e wase enti me a party ba I know things me catch you say I will still stand by my word ba omi akoyoko
okokoye den
okoropoto na okokoye de so mo mpen se be yehu okokoropoto I do know your ma for ba omi send MDC per se omo grabo MPP a yeah just say one and amon pay omo 2 MPP bashene intimi nye adwuma ontimi nye
okay
and no the automatic minimum so ontimi nye but 24 hours economy no betimi atene no e dia court district bi assistant region bi abenya 24 hours court
ni nyina be right
and we benya nkofo because I have a list here about 98 people MPP ye prosecute man no lawyer bi no betimi job say ukuni ma waye no enye bi na wayo mi mu dey
addressing the report in a video shared on TikTok on August 16, 2026, which is Emra.
Yeah.
The former Director General of National Lottery Authority dismissed the report, showing him the report claims, and this is on one animasim, claims that I was arrested on Saturday are completely false. Yesterday, we had a regional election, and today, Sunday, I am here in Kumasi.
Oh, boy, oh, no, that, say, you're net kruma. See, a channel, say, and channel, send your mere calamina, me boy, Ubiadi, and you won't win, say, in you go from that.
Have you a beba?
What was spending 4 days? Oh, and some of our
no, Umujano Dabane.
Oh, and I say, Ufriho Friday, numre.
Ufriho Friday, numre.
Yes. Inti ono samedi ono wonim se ne wo kan oboa it's lying Sunday Saturday no your friend say was Saturday no
Eastern region
Sunday no we ti we say Thursday Friday Wednesday mum say no we na na nye ni pa ne ti
a member of parliament and he cannot be arrested until it is channeled through speaker kan want speaker
then speaker kan speaker say okodu nse mu a na de na wo ye no na we mu de omom ye adwuma republic do you know the yoko the capacity of the yoko economic crime nti wo pese wo che say ono omu de wo parliament mu ye adwuma ma Ghana ba omu de omu nye adwuma ma Ghana asembe na ke wa fa oman ni sika na we America boji de ekura na mokikem na de same okuso so ye nche na ye wa ha wo de ma ho na wotwi nko na wotwi next week nko ye nyina busumi be so no se ya chiru ye nchiru
sa alleged arrest no
enya alleged
me ni ho o kan ho asem se ye nchi
ya chino tom entinkan jam say is alleged I'm not alleged I'm saying they na okay
Lexis
now wouldn't go to our frame wouldn't communication akoso send ye tell you am me kan ho asem bi na wo be push me nya wan ka me mo o mu ha kra ne me di fa asem wa de ne me di fa asem ga me si ya me kan greche masa don't drag no one say you know say he's lying to people who say sami okujina ko who na nso ate
ne offense ye
who say sami ni so ate
ne offense ye
omre ba beto abonte be ba
he who alleges must prove into ne offense ne say that be that transfer me
ne offense na say ya che no open offense ne dia ye be nyame ne me prosecute no ye prosecute ne be ba abonte ye be prosecute no enti ye prosecute na ye court enya adu court abe your friends a public issue nzo azeze enti me ha won kra Well, they say smart. Now, Samina, okay, Kemi.
Hey, I know you.
I know nothing.
But then, I'm for no, Sunday, I can say, young trainer, service, a chum from here. Pam danta.
Yeah.
Into young shiny in French labor. On one swab yan India. It is good that on one swab case.
We are no say medium. I'm coming and say, funny, and two. And I'm a ready at oh, Jack, I will be now trying to start.
That be on Facebook. In a video, I posted
you, Mate. Sit ya. And maybe since what's the series. And maybe since what's the series.
COVID, the last time we hear predictions be.
From
Kweku, yeah. It's my friend Kofi Namanaka home. The last time we had predictions, especially Ashanti region election, no. Saturday, Kasana, all Lambasti won to me for
Friday na.
Friday.
See to Abani Saturday. Friday
after election, and I'm afraid one I
yeah.
Now I want to me for no. In fact, the some kind there's an intimate can already. But then, no, you know, so then the same.
What's in any want me age man. Into boys ye did ni adi nyina almost atam no more capacity no more way but me hu say nkofo no ebimo omamwa untumi obi te se na nan kansa bodu untumi prison ya kodi na so no say nkasa me nkese nka utumfo gi na konya finisem
na nan kansa bodu
SOMPA FM ono the first person na wama untumi ko prison ono ye na ma second ene akoya am so ye communicate ya de bia wo joku ya nka wosan ko secretary the party
one a joke.
Oh, na Polando. Na say wo jana su nim. Enyo a wani nka wo.
Ai safu ni papa. Polando.
Yeah, politics in India grow. It's serious business. Be serious. Politics.
Oh.
See.
Secretary François.
That's it. Oh ni onyae.
François Abreu.
Ne wo ye nyina won se nkofo de omanihwe. Ana wonim adwuma wo ye wa hi ni pade omanihwe. Echine bia wo be free ha woni ho biema Bible said then ye be kan wo chi. Nti ne wo ye bia woni oman mu nyina party nkofo akoma wom. Ikrom ha party sem MPP NDC Kotoko has udi echira obi be kum. Nkofo akoma. Nti aden na wo communicate with this party. Na odi ye joke wo mra nim se party no oppositions usua de wo ye learner usua de e the information bre wo party a na o ti Ashanti region ye constitute perform jump to 33 into next time omo ko 50% omo ne mo e be chema na so mbe bi ti mo na wo hwe niam anso omo ye na omo ma Ashanti region no MPP no ho na ye mo stronghold no mo ntimi penetrate wo vote a wo no baby e yo mo so go be omo penetrate wa into den na mo be ya mo betimi aka me down. So what I say? Ne mo betimi aye na mo be ye we no party office. O ma je iron rods, o ma je cement, amanfo contribute. Jombo du kra contribute 100,000. Ni nyina mu di ska no.
Oh Sam.
Who? Woni na nan kan sambo du na yes am was. You
can't
any allegation. Take it from me. Me allegation because hardly for me say no back say we yes sign. No. I had dey mo ye na party office na way. Ba mo jiska omo je iron rods omo je cement at the end of the day no party no crofro mu de na esi wo no party office no ni wura na je harin waje na de inti sankofo ya untumi tina TV so a no wo kansam inti look at Mora Sampa yen ni untumi na Mora Sampa no we na ne yire wu ma wo dam so ma ha ono ne ode tokoko kra onya bi lawyer ni a wa ye law be more than 25 years as a way hwe ne kasa na ne law no na yen so ya yen lawyers ne yen kasa sei wonso ne wo ye nyina untumi amfa lawyer te wa ben dia nkofa ye wuye nyina when case ben ne wo kroma what say obi dia mama sampa no wi ni ne publish case ya publish wo graphic ma wo till lawyers bi ho ati omudi a what mo sampa din wo cases bi mzada no lawyer ni yese wo ye officer in court wo ye law practice da bia wo sua de da bia na wo ti media me no me enu de some fan say ye nya Ghana ho da je lawyer ni de wo defend wa koswe say wo be defend any client bia nti wo wadwuma wo ye wo court dem ho no wo officer in court enye yi de say ye beji obi afi lawyer ni nsem na ye jeli na ya remind no be me no me enu ko gina wo sisi a bibi obi ho an ye bu agu so o ja say nti kind of people na edi untumi echi no ane ewie ni say mo say mo pese Broni beka se to bibi me we se pese human interface ni free ho a ye pese wuntumi faces ni na free ho na party ne de ne ho Ashanti region because MPP ne need also na Ashanti region it all the sankofu we ba o pese o chese kokofu na o koka se kokofu meye party chairman wo aselo ye ni free ho wa be boss wo say wa be CEO wo APA wo wi a EPA onim na ya ofiri ho o de aban sika $3 million ekoye investment na na do pamon no ya wo frɛ na frɛ no so on de o kasa de nem kase frɛ na bi zanse kwan be ne fa so e pamon no
oh sir
wo de o frɛ na se de na o ye ma e pamon no
kwaku na wo kan
me se o frɛ na abusa no se de na o ye ofa na yesu ko EPA no de na o ye ya na do circulate na e den ye pesi ye hu that's it so na o do ho about public domain. That's it.
Kwaku na wo kansem.
Be me say media sembusa. O frena no obi answer offer. Yesu ko EPA no wo de aban sig EPA sika bi koye investment ene ye pam ho na ye ne kure ana enye ne kure. Ana okay nya ne kure de na wo ye ya pam ho no. Period.
Mate. Enti with all those revelations a wo ye in fact mo hu ye a mo trotro gun mu the delegate bought it.
Say en America say I should be a all exams obesua ho ade kakra ansa meboa
okay
nye so fitin ya na abetro ha say journalist on say o mebuza say topic ni ya den na ase o ni ya kan enka mehwe ade kura ye be ka ho asema akochiri ansa ma bibie ma because gonfo no enyansafo no na tifie etie wo ti wo akonya ne enya na ye kasa no musuti nti we have to eso mu hu ne wo kan no wait wo ni enye wait that's it
research no dey fair fire ni ade ni nyina do you see say at least the Ashanti region NPP has gotten a new face on betimi lift the party up
we no ni hu guy no efen say on wa hu brase bet obebre because o mama niama on say young guy ne so ebe ha na dwen kakra
young guy
minister ne fenze
Frank Amakwan
wa ma amanfo nya interest we ni mu
okay
inti to say o penetrate wa Ashanti region ho ye ono ani stronghold bo bebre aje o ye dwumaden na enye radio so kasa
okay
omo kofo mi ye dwuma te se ni ne nkofo tu omo eche ye dwuma no na ansa na obetimi a penetrate no aje omo yi ba omo efi omo a top approach no aje omo san dane no ese e be ye foforo because top approach na amwa Baumia no oyeyo na ma MPP omo enyina omo ntimi nya hwe
meba
bibie ni ho betimi aye bi
o se Baumia hedai
Baumia yeyo na o MPP for yo na
Baumia ni endimi nye
epoa obi timu akuru osiso no wanyi nipa no da bia se yeto aba meba da bia yeto aba ye de fraud bearer ba yinim se ne etie nti obi okopo so da bia okoba nti one day yesu obi abefo anfunama ebo no na airtime Baumia ba eni MPP for face no wanya otan no me busaw
o de bisa me de me wachire ni esi bia me hu se esi o ba bia so political party bia mu no nsem wom but to say Baumia is the donor of
is MPP or ye you na ma MPP for o ma nyina bibie ni hom be yom betimi o mo betimi ato ajomu ye ne different election
as far as
from 40 from 87 and no more can you trotto you better aba na MPP aba be 40 we mbehwe
our parliament
yeah I'm telling you because here kra be adwumati omo MPs ne ye beje mo ye beje mo dia market
ama la ya keke se asre
omo ho odin isa no onye strategic onye otese o de hwe say untumi ya che papa de na koto friends this man the finance minister atofo court say parliament nyina bokoto no mu kugya na court meboa e kroma no mu wi a o maba eche unity onuado nti wo fin senka me no unity na ya te se ba wo mi ane ne yire enyine di untumi echa ko wura court dem ba ko mienu kenye news kese na ye jeli ne de o mahunu nyansan hunu kwan court ne nsan wo hene kwan wa etimi ko sra no nsan na wo ka chem se wo onye strategic onye obi a politics no eye uba me dino ba wo mi no ko bu sen kwala akura se hwan na MPP fat bella with school ma no na hwan nti wo Ghana ya odi anka be ma ba wo mi abe president obema na be president
the Ghanaian populace will decide
media men ka ho hwan na ka cho se Ghana for president ba wo mi abe president
exam
be o monye sem ko fon kan no ngire se but we die ko fon kan be we die ko fon kan
so mo ma ba wo mi abe president
no na how
omo pe ba wo mi
baby how enye you nobody accept it how ni o why see ba wo mi aye president ya why see semela na first lady Ghana for maya biblibi wo krumai ye de won citizen are you telling me near the ba wo mi ane ba be president of
so because we nyane lawyer keke sebesisi
we se minua no o nim say omo ye officer in court omo ye officer in media tell no one so omo expose omo
sir
really you hardly to be say lawyer ni interact with we no onye omo ni de no so omo de omo che omo bobre in court when your court pass into where you tena ha or no met me a week no debi say omo court you be week me ba ha de no debi
well many will be come on na ya wo bobo bro so be free a free baby a citizen eye Ghana free by the vision the mandate in fact the niema isimo when isu ade hu ni ade wakeka be bree ewura party a wo free mu aba make say party a wo free mu aba na two party no left right center sa no say the party no mabono
ya mbono bible say ye the atembo be free ni fie yesu ne kan yo onyame asem o say the atembo be free fie nti o fie nye won hwe han na am MPP ai yo kodwom pienim ka kire me wan kan jiro bi 101 o say ye fin say ye nana ado na say o mo mpe na asem nya sa wo o say o ko UN meeting a abrofo ye meeting no mi no phone so nti onye serious ho de adwuma mana onye on koba kire hwe say ne ode adwuma nhyɛ nsa wo ye ni ana wanye ni eno na eku nana ado no na president a watching about wanting so be near gam say o say obi oye president of republic and come out communicators ni binka o say na wajeje ablante na nende untumi nso me say problem a untumi face no untumi so utumi twa 3 months obetumi atwa 13 years no say 20 years to 30 years yeah because untumi nyu obi o wa hoden and yemfa bibia nto nchen yo say untumi atwa 3 months na bibia anya na alhamdulillah me am sheme kra ma no
sir
yes say me ben pa I know him oni just bibi be ye no no kro
or sister obe vie for the national chairmanship position
oh there be CC ato wi
oh still there be national chairman no
national CC obe fa hin no why
still was one go for forms man no
ozo go for forms
o still obe ko e bia wo ni
ni kasa na oka masa na pin kro me yenyeye o de kokan full judgment 2019 man art no hey o ye so abofo ni so mu kura ndime nyo o bu so o bibia no o de say okroma.
There is no way for NPP in 2028.
No, debi. Come 2032 they are fine. Me kra ye press Kennedy third force no ye be yere ho but it's no easy. Ye no nti kroma na NPP abetwa 8 years na azu obi ngotwa 4 years na wo befa. Wan ka be. Debi mi busa. Wan ka be. Debi see nyina to about 8 years 4 years ni asan to dia ma say fire wodwuma na wo abetwa 8 years so obi de ntwa 4 years ye press Kennedy to say ye ya hodin bia nenso me bomu die kakra bia minim in politics no me de mani ato say the next 2032 die Kennedy between
now say 2032 no Kennedy would come not on the ticket of NPP
oh there be NPP
NPP there what ma
mabim So everybody has someone drop it by me and then you can say on it mama no between aba.
So mo drop it by Umia.
Umia there someone dropping so any more to say ne wo ko nsuo gu kenten.
Say NPP and drop it by
Umia. How who can pre-position onyene. Say and drop it by Umia how who can pre-position we say it say the same thing. It say ne otu position ya.
Ko kian for common in senior dey jet for ne.
Obi ahwe no so. E mate titru. Omo kasa ya na ebi ahomte. That's what I say. Nti omhe ohu yi na obi ankoto abanse because we mo acha the team of security no fire the police the national security the BNI omani wo form do
Alex Kwaku Tete Lexis
obo be medin
Amena said we so ajibre ni
All
right, there was Alex Kwaku Tete founder and leader at the Citizen Eye Ghana. One lawyer KK sebe se ni o ma gie ginem so enuafo mienu age ahia na wo mo giomani wa ha na busia ya dane ya ho simaba ye ba lawyer KK sebe atena se na me won komo kitu bi enano mu hu se na me se be 2-3 weeks ago mo se video bi ne nanam free airport ba se see immigration officer bi na asefo me ba no abebo mu kakra twa me sisi a
Munde dinam se menya foreign call. Hello papa, what do be a new? Se me feel London, eko US. Na no crowd wo kura fa me boma mania. Na papa mo ho te sei. Awurade aduma haboko. Na ko jejesi, eko bosem pene mo. De woton adanse ho niam no nso. Wo hye ho de. Oh, wo hye ho. Eko ba, mesi wo bo aduma kura sre kane no a. Na wodru US won so manfo bo ndin sa na. Papa US hakura de. Na ko jejesi company limited agiba bia. Wo Holland, Germany, France, Italy, London, Canada. Eba adensi hu niam dia. Obia se na kojejesi company limited. Na matese wo bie depo kesie bi e wo kasoa. E ho na wo bia koto adensi hu niam. Na no kura papa. Oh, no kura pa. A police station in Chenhua. Akuoba sempre mono no. Onye mereda. She, we kura no miensamua ene obi en foforo yawo. Ba ko abu akwase paase kumase. Ene ba ko so pokura se nkran ha. Obia se na kodwojasi eye bemaba e wa dansi mu. Oton cement, iron rods, banding wires. And mantos apro, meko apro, jena apro, garlic apro. No de aye aduane se eya abontine aduane edi yenye ni bisa. Dabi haji esuro nyame. Etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministry agencies akese aye ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase no mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se mo mfra hajia special local foods efise hono enaduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve hajia special local food pese wo fra eye 024 63599921 024 63599921 anasa 059 479 7215 059 479 7215 for not with them. Aha! Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
Hot. Just bread and pastries is say. Just hot kinky dokono noa. Ye di yellow corn vitamin A wo mo no. Na ye 3 Ghana so the sepe.
3 Ghana so the sepe.
No mo to dokono wo monten so. Eno no mo tu eton no. Say die. Occasion bia. Se wo pe dokono serve wo ho a. Wo die frey. Na ye customize na maw. Se de wusi penny bia. Protein na opese ye de ka ho. Ni aya ma wo kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say Obienim say just hot kinky and noa and ye serve ya wo just bakery e wo dome commercial bank in Chenhua and to fraying and was 025 60688832 na yen customize your orders ne maw never serve wo se de wusi pen pepe just hot kinky hot.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwambo.
Oyunyankupon di fa wastrano ewiye brim. And I'm Nensaso ama Onyankupon Reyawan what yepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us some perfect service. Our home a new TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Nyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Masompa first service entwa wo hu hoda. Dwada kusi efiada anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie. Fa woda no nyina share radensa na erade beye.
Civil society organizations oni mo ma said e adwadifo ni sigasem no tesen driver for mo petrol ne kwan no so tesen na gas no nso ye bi sai nyina ye mining tio empenifo so aka city krom kwa gina enti hia odomakoma chiame OBREMPONG-NANA KWAKU AMPOMAH e wo SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra memenda we ene memenda bia anapa no nson e bi kosi nondu e wo memanti dwumadie so akai se ni nyina ye memanti hye nso memenda we ene memenda bia 7 to 10 am Mimanti, yebe som. Of course, on my ninety, yebe som pa. And until I forgot and country, yes, some one ebusia. SOMPA 106.5 FM. So, and na my uncle Humana Somra Sia, na yantin komobin frio. Also, no GPRT for the buy, say, say proposal. Some person moto cash into adim. Lawyer frame. And now, the buyer na presidency so release some interventions. 2 cities be the free. Titu ne full on so near there. Uko Madina from Madina to a Fanko barrier. Almost na 10 cities. Still dollar for is almost 12 cities. And na yenya complaints bebre. And na yes ye be DHD. Na ye busa say GPRT for I thought say must suspend it sa increment no. Ubusa drivers no so almost say from leadership. And yes so nje sa increment nti e be print say na ye increment no ye no. Omo print ya laminate e de aboka anum. And omo je. Anko ahoma no so na ye ne Samuel and ye print ya aboka anum no yo. To your back seat your kra no twae. And what they send ye. Ya ne Samuel mo ani sa asemi ho enkomo. Samuel hi.
You so papa.
Na apombo ko de.
Nyame adoma ho de ho pa na so e.
Nyame adom ye ho ye pa. Samuel na mo nkrofo yi mo se ma suspend na still wa mo giske.
Minia ma minchia o ne woti po ne mpampo nyina. Akoye se rabes ni ya so bra kire. Se o ka se mo no bra na mi tie u no. O ka bi se mo bi kra pa wa print AFA no e dia ne kemu.
Na no kra no say or the GPRT way na bosso say GPRT of TUC.
Prof ye pe Mombomodiana production and send a copy of that we inform me.
Okay.
Because ma could be made the actually sa no. Na say nipa bi e na omo e print here. Na empty the office of the GPRT.
Okay.
And na ba could be so e yen so no. Na empenimfo na who say GPRT ni our branch executive.
Yeah.
Na branch executive ni bi na chat here omu yi omani yes ade na ye to nsafre omo. Na yeni omudi kukomu nkomo ni making sure say omo ko stop it ade no.
Same me mo akakra.
Okay.
Car na yes no. The registration GW 8189-16.
Okay. And na Olodu free Medina
from Medina to a Fanko barrier. And about konso ye mame no for transit no. And ye Toyota HCB. And a for transit ba ko no so ye GW 6561-15.
Okay. It's next round say one.
Yeah.
After this communication, you know, but in fact, a bit more say yedini and ama yejuma ye ayedini papa ye ama na say kra pono na yeni security agencies ni bi aging komo say omonso betima boa na ama sanity aba yejuma na ye ni mu ma me sense to bia bia e wo homa so say ye ma ho kwan se obia nto cash into adbom yes eniama mu ayedin niama akosoro edum pempenso na nka ye hwemu a esasante ye to so but enam mpanimfo nhie mu di ye koso ne ade ne ye nyina ye titu mu se ye nchen enkosi bosum ye wie ye entina tese obia ni ho kwan se ode ne pe ebeto cash into adbom yes ekoni bi mo ho a omuni ku obia mu de nanso enam so mu nyina ye asenka dumanti no na sese emre bi a ye de hwedi omu di so ye si etu cash into adbom a ye committee omo nka ho bi nanso ye de ba bontino mu nyina dibi esidenti e na we nso aya ko kasa ye ko ni sei na ebi mu beka se ye de ye ni ko bia mu ndi emfanya adwuma na ebi mu nso ya na ni transport ministry ni nanse ani omu di nkomo se omu nso mrebu na omu meboa na adwuma no emse enye mre kakra mfa ma ye ze ya ya chenkafo ko ba tenti no ha uni nyina ba na aba be share so na se nipa ni di ye eniomo ho niama omu di boni ni engineer support engineer stop ma na kakaka na afoforo so di attitude aba be di ama and so from this information that we are receiving, you know, it's telling us we must do more. And you know, you better know, information dia yenya fa binuma wo to and I'm said the outcome medina to opankoni adi. We are going to do a follow up me and making sure say baby asadi any pay akacha we put a stop to it. The free akacha so na ekuo for so and also ekuo for that because I know say GRTCC the committee in United GRTCC.
Okay.
I quite remember quite recently minya ba kubisa na nu ATM the Tiger Transport quickly na GRTCC for because the Tiger Transport falls under GRTCC and the editor of the Debbie who money be say the most share say omonso ebetima ye de etene ne fata you know papa I had in the because why you making sure the driver for be running
right. Same we there no ne sa clarity na me pese ye put it on this whole issue. Now say see ye kwei dia na wo ka de a kire yen a ye fo hyen ene wa wo no unuanom driver for no GPRT for then na wo ka kire yen
mami ndi kan ko unuanom driver for nchen enche o mo say ye be kire o mo bebre ye nto ka nchiabo ye nche ne am mo ayede ye nyina na ye sanke ye kwakotum ene o mampani abam so wa be 2 cedi 30 days so ye nche ne nim bosu enti ebesere madraba ni bia amfane pe enkotu wo a watum dada nso bomode ane braba beje boda dada na oje no ebi sign enko passenger for nchen say the complaint should still come complaints na ba ama ye wu de ekoso e wo fom enti I have a lot of passengers omo me numbers uko we can say online crowd uko take to contact ye mu bebre na contact pp ye nya complaints the ban so ye be ki akire ni ahwe ni edi ati.
Right. Same area me na so ache bredo be chechensi ma chere.
Yo, me so me da matinyam shop.
Right, now we should have so Samuel Amoa deputy head of communication at the GPRTU and one also any abon community mo driver for na mo de mo pe e de atoto asentuade mu abaya yi kakra fi so ama wo mo enti ni amo be sa 2 cedis ya de ato 10 cedis you abaya fa enti wo kwaje age den ye o ka se si e we ka se na all the emotions na ka yamfa dan ne nkasa se 2 cedis na so de ato so no enya hwede na yifiri so e me ka so obi tie kire o ka na 2 cedis nso ye dan wo na enya hwe ma wo na free wo ko ba ko no wo ba 2 cedis awajeje transit e fa ni pa 15 calculate 2 cedis o de ko wajeje e de ko ene ne o san ba bia nti so ko nan a 2 cedis awajeje free passengers ho calculate ya no so ka ho ya kan mo se ma yenka ya be kwaso aka se ya na na me wo issue bi na I say almost me mfa de nkwashe Ghana today asem bi I see airport video bi circulated these days so video no it's an old video like 2 years ago na no Airport Company Limited CEO Becca say Omar dismissed 2 staff for extortion. Omo jiji ska free go for honey and a friend as our video ni circulate over one immigration officer. Make us transporter say me and am there no beshim. Say nyina fall under Ministry of Transport. And omo this our video ni circulate the go one immigration officer no immigration officer minimum no. Yes, we were free. Oma transfer no cry free airport almost 2 years ni. And say yeah exposing the immigration officer or airport no to public say opa ubetimi akotwa video because e bia na immigration officer bia na say obi e kwa akọ extort obi. Enti it's a security area. It is our national security. untimi nkotwa na no say Caleb Kuda anya national security ne kwabo no say okotwa eno kra ban cars egu ha say okotwa anya ho ne kwabo no say ne cameras ne ade ode ko nyina and I see immigration for officer war airport ko ho say SARFO o chena say bia SARFO be ko Burundi akofa report free ho aba ama football people for no say SARFO ko na odru ho a e was so ya na camera ready now all they expose the security details at what immigration office, immigration checkpoint at what airport. So immigration for hierarchy no. Or my mute. As something so about and immigration for whole. And so yet the candy immigration for the about that so. Now when me ko kana me ko bokom to lady as me papa panasem. Na papa no kwan so me ni no. But you were a whole head of legal. Our Ghana Immigration Service. You were legal department. They couldn't come to defend this thing. And then social media. They say, "Obi do airport now. I have the phone and the camera ready." Cause say immigration officer crowd welcome you now or say goodbye now or yeah nice to you crowd now. It is assumed say he or she is being nice to you so that you man is car. Now, you're exposing your insecurity to this extent. Montreal Ghana today, so you're watching a bit with them. Now, bon, come on. Endpoint homeopathic clinic can be a while day. Yes, somewhere there we are. There be a how no. Fako endpoint homeopathic clinic. If you train you and base you borrow, there be a America. Endpoint homeopathic clinic. Udru wa. Overcome for say I'm free. There be a utu ase be man so ade boy near premature ejaculation udru ho a ye yin nyina free ho kama na bibia etimi aye fine awo na emma no bowura endpoint homeopathic clinic na ye mo onyisa how no nyina emfan free wo so ye wo shell signboard Spinters Road and making na kumasen so chrono abo hia e ho so ye butu o friend was 0244 867 068 0244 867 068 and 0274 234 321 0274 234 321 Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Udu ha wayaresa wodia. Haja special local foods. Aduane papa efie na make am for dia mai. Wo pa aduane papa di anwumrei pa se yete hei. Ena ye wia lawyer keke sebe na eboba kama na be ko haja ha kodidi awaye wa ba kum. But on betena ha kun sisi ya. Ene on betena ha kun. Oh, wo be kwa kodi se tuoza few. Se banku ne tilapia se wache o jollof fried rice kokonte papransa aduane bia bi o hagea ho bomode na ko na monko pebi ni sisi a why bibia be fine o wa hacho atomic kwan so na on the transition e bo ho pe numbers abetimi afre bia na pese delivery mawa 0246 355 359 0246 359 921 0246 359 921 Hajia special local foods aduane papa fie ensuo na obenom aka ho no Kasa natural mineral water. Kasa natural mineral water. Ensu papa no nie abuju nsuo dedew. Eya no wanonom bi na akoyie pa edi amawo. Yesi nsuo a ye benom no na ye hwe nchenchen ne ye tete no na galam sei mai. Enne nsuo a ye benom no hwe ho se atworo ho CASA. Nya sa ne aka no nkomi na wonom agu yem no. Anasa obehu no anom galam sei nsuo. Wan hwe yie obehu no na wonom med. Sasa ne omode na ne gold no se friend med mercury no. Behu na wonom heavy metals. Me ba twa no kasa natural mineral water. Eno ni super pano ni betimi aboa wo de na wo ye party eye ba bia wo nam so opesa say bottle dispenser ni nyina de bebro na bia etimi fine Casaloma Ventures na din suwe ba e wo back hospital na chi e wo taifa heya frɛ 0206 469 430 0206 469 430 wo mo ka ho bi e na afi enyuma ko bi adaroma e na yesom wo efia ebo backman e wo ha mama na kwa ba ebo
yeah
akwa
I'm jodo
na ho na mboko de
onyame na adumi bia boko
la keke se be se wa man na party e wa bam o party na wa bam
just see as most were brand na part were brand nti kibi kaka na wamo which allegation obi anyim de United Party na me MPP ni
na o MPP ni but say o ye UP
some time ago na me jai MPP sisara mo UP me deputy communications director of United Party and MPP no say kan okora wonpe say wote oyaze na wote no okora ye kan nchenye bibi party we drunyi ye wo mu na ye kan okora but ofi den here na yenye na ye film so ye na wa ye kan okora no NDC no kwasam nye de say asam no or ye na say a kabia or my look somehow stupid and I don't want to look stupid. For example, there Beka Jam there MPP economy would no better than what NDC
MPP economy okay now can be
no man count that time MPP I missed me MPP 2010 I left MPP 2010 Nti say meka the MPP economy would no or better than me I will look stupid because all the indicators show that this is better than Mojo. I don't say them no corner say car. No, you want your more say you and this oh you need this in the corner you can. Right. Now I'm there. I'm amazing. One thing I into me means that I could show politics. Mechanical. Right. Even though all yo I met her say no corner can all the MPP for you. We mancha manka, but maka. You cannot can I yo. The one candidate. Channel Coco said one John Alex Bakay. Yeah. One candidate on yet.
Anthony Alex can be at
on yet. Paying for your partner on yet. On yes so. Sir. Yes, what's the my cotton procurement zongo market. A better done as a better advert done, a bubble de wood done. Busy meat or the baleta or the goat meat baleta about 20 coffee no and the white you know as the preconamo zongo market. See, the man walk away into say the making a car no yo. But so what saying here now was it can Japan buyer and to be better. Until with this result you'll be but Ashanti region Coca Bay, my Okoboya Bay as in I say Ukita beat the Canadian Japana. And when they put my about the very fine put my very fine vehicle. Maybe 2026 Benz. If the driver is not good, over crash. Okay. So it's not just about the car. All right. It's also about the driver driving the car. Okay. And see, they are focusing on the party, forgetting the candidate in here. No matter what the candidate about ticketing to understand. I'm not sure what one want to.
Cancel. Akwaba.
Ya ni amini yako.
Na hunambo kwa di.
Yesu adom ye honye. Mini ebu kasa na se mini hanamo hapa.
Enokre.
Enti se o my finance ye kasa ohunu se o kasa ne ye wa. Se de o kan no credit ne ka no ya pa. Mini also say amemu aye bi ne politics aye. Ye wo opposition. Yeah. Ene de owa ban mu a obu amemu no. In politics, opposition is also your political party. What do you mean saying? The main essence of a political party, the number one aim is to win elections. Okay. And when you are in opposition, you put the government in check. And it is more communication, in the name of UP plus yeah, Momonche was a plus NDC. But no mind is silent. That is how I see it.
Okay, I know you're sending a lawyer.
Sana mi hune UP plus NDC. Because you see, a hanko. Oh, a nice strategy. And you say, now, you say you're UP plus for that reason, say you're quite radio discussion. I say for UP4. Okay. You're for NDC. You're for MPP. And yes, sir. Sir, baby, any media, that's what's going on. And I don't NDC, traffic action. And a beer, Omedruha. Say NDC, Nika. And I say, yeah, UP, on card, no, fair play. Banka Minia Rogers, so a Kanwa. And the topic back, why, Roger Bemua. Nasa men, I'm a bar. No, a basimechi. Baby, I'm a at every point in time, no, on my system, they say 2 against 1. Oh, that. It will median the also that is not your mind. But everywhere you go and meet 2 against 1. That's a thing. It is not so what was say. So what was say? Was see opposition party? Yeah. Now Pabem Wako. Now one can say na praise your buying every day. What is small kind? Now say what the MPP economy about 2 NDC de ho a na me ka say NDC de papa no kwena maka. No, you should tell us what UP will do
What UP thinks.
What they will do and project UP. I'm telling you, wherever you meet them, or be and projecting UP. Say could President Mahama hold on the front and back. Hey, inter President Mahama, why?
Sam.
Me chawati phone na, nya say you refi mo. Na so bia me nyan de ko free ye no. Ho ne de o me say me o kasa na me wa. Ene be ko
the micro off.
Ene that was all distractions kaka. Ene be ko ni din. Me say ene be ko ni din. Etimi nia.
Yeah.
We de ye nhya ase. Just say na me cho say oh, ba bia yakwa akodru ne de. Say eye no kre pa say o pese oba aban mu dia. Shall say o projecte UP no me ehunu say aha na UP na me nya me bisa say discussions e koso nyina UP stands anything a ebi ni ho
sana wo hu no
sa menti bi oba bia da me nua nie deputy communications director or director mu for UP me ni sha mo nka UP why di bia nkyere me no ne betra bia da bia e ya NDC asem
just o ya NDC
o dia hwe say nei oba huru MPP What about who you say put up no asaka cho say na me MPP ni
we jai no 2010
ya pam no 2010 and subanye
Opom am 2010
ya nya na o ka say ya pam 2010
hey there was one jai in 2010
every papa in 2010
on say MPP and pam nipa ma tell
wow free akofina ebi
we never know cross examination
cross
obi anya obi na free
tell must be jai MPP
o de momento aso mi obeba etiefo nyina ntene say ukoshia UP ni a o de bisa o de etiefo mi bisa etiefo say
UP plus
ye fa UP na omo se be economy na omo gina hen efa galamsey ya omo gina hen bibia ye John Mahama asa omo ni bibia bi o
His Excellency
eti UP no plus no UP plus NDC
oye dem wa ha you see as a crowd wa magana ya kichiri nye there until UP ye baba no na say e ba benim na say e yenzema basa say o manager pazi we o manisika say Ghana economy na co-position e katina asum dream na abana wa abana robo no mbozi ndo obema Ghana akonanyim na obi az na no is abana ho to bring the government down so that they can also one of they can come back to power.
Guys, yan horo na yemu yemra.
Yes, na yan position in there. Say ebe no, ebe say Ghana. You we Ghana for na Japaze, say Ghana economy. Na say ayen zama true ka.
Yeah.
I catch no position and you mean asumdwe. Also there ma yadi search light yadi todo. Na Ghana for nzama bana eye wo position. While at the same time no, we are constructively also criticizing the government.
Obwa.
Obwa.
Criticism better criticizing president.
When NDC won.
Yeah, chichi pegu mu anyina.
My leader, Mr. Alan Chamanten, was the young great transformational plan or GTP.
Yeah.
As come President Mahama.
Oh, okay.
In fact, Cocoa, Dama Cocoa Billy, reform the why Cocoa sector in ano or young GTP no.
Oh, I see.
The CCR no. Mama, young Bobo so Amonone, na friend Toko Ko name, young raise local bond. You know, young GTP no. NDC only one plan, one MPP plan. No, NGTP no. Now NDC is using it.
Okay.
So it be some young position in there now. Your plan. Yan's no manifesto or your plan. That plan can live for the next 10 years.
Okay.
And see, your boy,
right.
But NDC a young competitor, and MPP a young competitor. Until we have our strategy.
Okay.
Now, why there? Because me opposition, if the government is doing what is right, I should criticize. No competitor or as a bonnet, I should praise him. No, that's not how we do it. Oh, that is why we say the things we say. We have our own strategy.
Where you preaching now, preaching.
You're not
asema wakana eye utie wa asumu eto asumu utie ase eto asumu name it cannot be then say if say uko UP plus adie bia MPP aye bia ni wa sisi ase de okan wa say economy no wa economy be no say
say the IMF
edi ase na
next minister mpongwa no fati wengwa na No, but we go to economy one. One call GT, one call digitalization.
What say bia no amobi aka.
But we go ni call digitalization.
Me say economy.
Madam I say me kai say lawyer keke sebe ne Ebubakman na won be ko ha but ye free ha won be ko haje ha ko didi.
Haje no watching. But this one I've my catch Prof Abochi. I had a problem with what Mr. Wachibo Cape Coast. I mean, I'm more farmer. He nearly died. Until for about 4 years, I'm in the watch. Until last time, I'm a baha.
Yeah.
And now, I'm watching. There was a Hajj being watching. And I'm busy.
Yeah.
Until Accra, the only place I'm busy watching, I'm a Hajj and no watching.
Nice one.
Yeah, because my mom Lucy. No watching pan and menu major interview because no I am BB but that day now me busy no watching or special until Hajia watching.
Oh, so Hajia watching crampo no keken. On the minimum so debut.
Okay.
On NDC Roger.
Oh no. Oh, Hajia watching. Westland. Hajia watching. Acho one anti mo fa trotro and me do.
We see acho one anti about transition.
Trotro pon mo fa royal man anto so account.
O dia be trotro e bi you what way to on top petrol.
Boso be Obia you be there. Obo Uber na mo se bay. O dey Uber be. Na ma wa se me duro ma cha. Uber na mo se bay.
Aduma wo ye NDC communicator be na tie aduma wo ye bi.
Abidjuma.
I
don't work for NDC.
You work for them.
My nature you do. No, I am win.
Oh, they got free education. What mean can be papa bia fa ho. Say we go for the bia free education they go for the born home modern. Bibia won na nso. But what free education can be nti.
And no come topics.
He just doesn't want to acknowledge anything good about it.
Mama say initial remarks in Pona Daniel Chedibo you na. You remember there na mo fra you for the mama na. Mama. Eh new. RSYD no VG Studios e boy e chido am here. RSYD no VG Studios a. You be hwe na aboa am bia timi akon. You professional and I say backdrop papa. Oh. The year adwuma na ekoyie pa. Ye wo mala mabase. First Kokoko Street ne so ho no a e de ebutuo. Fra yen wo 020574 0574 715 778 0574 715 778 RSYD no VG Studios where vision becomes a reality. Mamisha Zemfri Ebubakman ho na yen remu wo MPP one more regional election Mokoye Abronya retains the seat. Massive change in Ashanti region and some other regions. May I sure say you monitored the elections. Your take on that?
Okay, I didn't monitor the elections. Nemum made results in the na mati. Na on the MPP topic. MPP topic. Into Merikebi. And of course, I'm there. Maka MPP party no already know why two major mistakes. Mistakes, you know, obotum correcting, even though one corrected that mistake, you know. On there, say one leadership in parliament. On koye. The way you conduct one in parliament. On tumina on connect with the especially the middle class. And also the intellectual community, one behavior, one leadership, on koye. That one, they can do something about it. Okay. The second mistake is their candidate.
Flag bearer.
Alaji. Leadership or you're weak. Oh yes, no question. I'm describing the leadership.
Okay.
Or you're weak. In some people don't know. One thing I would disturb more on his decision to allow the demonstration last year, on the day I got a thing is the one unya kunshia ya 1 year.
Oh no they say no. It doesn't. It does. Somebody who wants to be the president and the commander-in-chief of Ghana Armed Forces. One of we as you feel by so they were serving the nation we.
at least Northerners womb, Muslims womb. You are Northerner, you are Muslim. And this is a national issue. He's 1 year. That one into me postponing because we see a particular day on the 6th of August. Okay. But demonstration you can postpone. And as a good leader, you postpone a demonstration. You even take part of the a ceremony nibi. Meaning na a commemorate one asambano or two one no. Na one ebushafu or one ejeronomy now or na yayem wife as a nation. But the fact that Otumi or allow shows his weakness.
Sir.
Yes, as a leader. And I share mostly partners who are born Yanom Nazi, Otumi champagne, Faro Bar, Archbishop Duncan Williams, and Petit Libi, which shown a robo party na Ibinumpo Kosha Hobo and Wahagwan Azana. It also shows weak leadership on his part. And apart from being weak leader, I be there. Elections no come more tumpani more tumpani. Allow me to speak.
Me too. Lawyer microphone off.
Yes, apart from being weak, he's also shown that are incompetent. And John is behind him. Behind him, incompetent. And in the run up to 2016, in some of the came, Modonya exchange rate na dog can as Ghana addition and economy and or two petit him. Now let's see. Akufado amano kwa Akufado I'll be open the presidency. O benyam. Nanyim benyam. And open the economy no jina. And let's say a too good. O mention economy da. Abi. Nti say what kade one shadow or you insult Akufado, and it shows how even more incompetent Dr. Bawumia is. Because Obi Biala a what incompetent person biano, and more sure economy is more. In that no see. If you put away going to catch a digitalization, economy chasing we go. It is actual leadership of one flag bearer now, or you weak and incompetent. No, on your marketable so. Oh, on your marketable, what could be a marketable? On your as an anchor pursue, iguana cotton woman, the nature of the market. In economics, we have basic principle we call